Good morning, my peoples. This morning, we're at 606 Weintz Street. That's Weintz for anybody that's asking. I have a little helper this morning. Max, let's go. All right, 4-bed, 2-bath, beautiful neighborhood. 1644 square feet, 2-car garage. You know me, got to get it done in 3 minutes. Come on. Pet friendly, new flooring, nice big fireplace, nice kitchen, very roomy, eat-in kitchen, obviously. Let you peek at the 2-car garage, nothing wrong with it. Look, it's already got cabinets and countertops out there ready for you to go. The floor's already been treated. Backyard, amazing. Nice big concrete patio. I'll max this way first. Bathroom A, one. Little linen closet. Nice bedroom, good size. Closet. Closet. Nice big bedroom. Bedroom number 2. Nice big closet. Ready to go upstairs? Max, come here. No, this way. Come on. Come on. Even he can make it up these stairs. Another closet. Headed upstairs. Ton of room up here. Look at that. Carpets look freshly shampooed and brand new. Bedroom 3. Closet. Keep it simple. Bath 2. Shower. Closet. Bedroom 4. Closet. What do you think, Max? You like it? 606 Weintz, 4-bed, 2-bath, 1644 square foot in the Homestead subdivision. So make sure that you just don't, sorry, not Homestead, Meadowbrook subdivision. You just don't get this on the end of a cul-de-sac. Beautiful trees, nice big yard. So Robert the Realtor, to get your private showing, Robert the Realtor.